Hi, my name is Chris. Let's skip the boring stuff. Allow me 2 minutes and I will show you how you can block ads on your phone. First of all, you need a prerequisite. First, your iPhone should be running iOS 14 and above, or else this won't work. So, you open up your phone browser and you go to this website. It's called AdGuard DNS. Go to this website and you press on the first link, that is connect to public AdGuard DNS. As soon as you press on this link, there are two options to get this done. One is downloading the AdGuard app on your phone. That will be lying on your phone as an app. As soon as you press on it, it will install everything for you. And the second one is configuration file. So we choose the second option so that we don't get the app on our phone. So I'm doing this one for iOS. So option 2, you press on iOS and you download this configuration file. When the pop-up comes, you allow it and the profile will be downloaded onto your phone. Then you go back to your phone, you go to system settings and you see profile downloaded. You press on it, you install, type in your phone password and install it. As soon as it's installed, you go back to system settings, general, VPN and device management, and you can find it here, AdGuard. So with this, you can safely stream your games and YouTube videos and websites with ad-free